Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Ultimate love updates. Jay is not big down there, we might have issues, says Nkechi. Ultimate Love JayKechi spoke candidly about how their bonding over physical intimacy took a little longer, but elevated to a whole new level after the former served the later breakfast in bed. Jay was pleased to discover just how romantic Nkechi is. She however expressed concern about a joke he made about not being well endowed, describing his manhood as edge rather than 5G. She joked with Auntie about hoping it wasn't true. On the topic of exes, both of them made it clear their past was behind them, and as long as Oda was fully in it, they were ready to fight to stay together. Jay added, however, that the temptation of cheating would be much greater in the real world. Nkechi is concerned here. So guys, there you have it. This is the channel for where you get updates on Ultimate Love reality TV show. Stay tuned for more news on your favorite show. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button to get new notifications. Thank you. Until next time.